In a hobby that's chock full of numbers-matching time capsules and show-stopping customs, it's always nice to see a tasteful classic that's built around performance. That said, this Cuda has been completely restored, fitted with 408 cubic inches of stroked LAV8 and decked in tough AAR war paint. During a detailed restoration, this solid coupe was fully stripped and professionally dipped. An impressively straight fuselage was augmented with new quarters and a fresh trunk pan, as that massaged profile featured better than factory alignment. A glossy coat of black velvet was buffed to a spectacular shine, and monochromatic strobe stripes highlight AAR Cuda callouts. Open this E-body's doors and you'll find an attractive black interior. The seats stretch a tight combination of vinyl and leather surfaces beneath 3-point harnesses. A simple dash hangs premium rally gauges above classic auto air conditioning and a vintage Chrysler radio, and a wood-trimmed console hides a small fire extinguisher behind a TKO pistol grip shifter. Toss the hood and you'll find a LAV8 that, thanks to an upsized 4-inch stroke, displaces a hardy 408 cubic inches and capable of over 400 horsepower. Handling that power is a Tremec 5-speed that was sourced directly from Chrysler Engineering. This Plymouth provides one lucky enthusiast the opportunity to buy some spirited SCCA-inspired muscle that can be driven and paraded without worry. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.